three on stage, but then 50. Good girl.
Ready? Up. But they will always be playing. They play live the entire show and they adapt, not bumping into it. And you can follow me towards this exit here. Costume. It's less difficult, less hard on the costume. So tonight, just like crickets in nature, they're tumblers and trampolinas. They jump around. So they're individual. They can have, and the costume still looks like an insect, however. So everything is really made for what they do in the show. This is just two examples. It's about 65 centimeters. So when they come and they rehearse for the first time, they will wear the shoes and nothing else, and it looks very silly. But these are some of the shoes of the show. On the stage, and you can film with no light, please. Okay? The interviews will go at the back.